What's the dumbest thing you've ever seen in class? My chemistry teacher, Mr. Peterson, had seen it all in his 25 years of teaching, but nothing prepared him for what happened with Aiden, a sophomore who transferred mid-semester. It started during our unit on the periodic table when Aiden raised his hand and announced with complete confidence, "Chemicals aren't real. They're just marketing schemes invented by corporations." Mr. Peterson froze mid-sentence, his marker hovering over the whiteboard. "Excuse me?" Aiden nodded enthusiastically. "Think about it. Have you ever actually seen an atom? They're made up so companies can sell us cleaning products and medicine we don't need." The entire class went silent as Mr. Peterson carefully set down his marker. "Aiden, we literally observe chemical reactions every day. Water freezing, metal rusting, these are observable phenomena." Aiden shook his head. "Those are just natural processes, not chemicals." The word chemical was invented in the 1950s by advertising executives. Mr. Peterson's eye twitched slightly as he pulled out his phone. "The term chemical actually dates back to 1790, and we've been studying atomic theory since ancient Greece." Aiden waved dismissively. "That's what Big Chemical wants you to believe. They've altered history books." At this point, Jessica, our class valedictorian, turned around. "What about the medicine that saved your life last year when you had pneumonia? Those were chemicals." Aiden had a ready answer. "I got better because my body healed itself. The pills were placebos with food coloring." Mr. Peterson took a deep breath and made a surprising decision. "Aiden, I'd like you to conduct an experiment for the class next week. Prove your theory that chemicals aren't real." Aiden looked thrilled. Finally, someone willing to hear the truth. The following week, Aiden arrived with a bizarre presentation board covered in screenshots from conspiracy websites and out-of-context quotes from scientists who'd been dead for centuries. His proof included the fact that different brands of cleaners smell different. Why would real chemicals need different scents? And that medicine tastes bad. They make it taste terrible so you think it's working. After Aiden finished, Mr. Peterson thanked him and then rolled in a cart of lab equipment. "Today we're going to perform 5 simple experiments that demonstrate chemical reactions over the next 40 minutes. Mr. Peterson showed us metals changing colors in flame tests, acids changing the color of indicators, hydrogen peroxide decomposing with catalysts, and even created an expanding foam snake using baking soda and sugar. The class was mesmerized, but Aiden remained skeptical until the final experiment, when Mr. Peterson carefully mixed 2 clear liquids that instantly turned bright purple. "Aiden, if chemicals aren't real, explain what you just saw." Aiden stared at the beaker. "It's probably just food coloring activated by the motion." Mr. Peterson smiled. "Would you like to perform the experiment yourself?" Aiden hesitantly approached the front and repeated the demonstration with fresh solutions under the class's watchful eyes. When the liquid turned purple in his own hands, Aiden's expression shifted from confidence to confusion. "I don't understand," he admitted quietly. Mr. Peterson put a hand on his shoulder. "That's actually the perfect place to start in science. Admitting when we don't understand something is the first step toward learning." By semester's end, Aiden had become surprisingly interested in chemistry, though he still maintained that some chemicals are probably just marketing schemes, which Mr. Peterson counted as significant progress.